Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily redeem the classified codes on your iPhone, Android, and computer. Whether you are trying to get free rewards, special items, or promotional bonuses, this guide will help you redeem your codes quickly and correctly on any device. Getting free rewards in Clash Royale can give you a huge advantage, whether it's unlocking exclusive events, claiming special event rewards, or grabbing bonus items before they expire. Since many Classwell codes are only available for a limited time, knowing how to redeem them is crucial if you don't want to miss out on lucrative rewards. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch a browser and then head over to the official Supercell store. Then you have to click on the login button and sign in using the exact same Supercell ID connected to your Clash Royale game account. Now, if prompted, make sure to choose Clash Royale from the list of available games. Then you have to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the web page until you see the section labeled Redeem a Store Code. Now you have to type or paste your code usually entered in all capital letters and hit the Submit button. Then you have to confirm the account and click on claim and you're all set. Now you can launch the Classwell app on your device to receive a notification that your reward or free item has been delivered. It's worth pointing out that for QR codes, simply scan the code with your phone's camera or take a screenshot and use Google Lens. This will redirect you straight to the Supercell website or game prompt where you can immediately claim the reward. And that's all there is to it. I hope this tutorial helped you claim your rewards successfully. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.